Hey guys, what's up? This is Pasha808 here. Gonna do a tutorial, show you how to tune to 528 Hertz in Logic 10 or Logic Pro. So it's pretty easy. What you have to do is you go to File, you go to Project Settings, you go to Tuning, open that up. By default, it's gonna say 0 over here, but you want to put in 15.6 cents to get to 444 Hertz. And the reason why you want it to be at 444 Hertz is because that's the value of the note A. And to get to 528 Hertz, you have to tune your A, which is the standard pitch, from 440 to 444. And this will give you the value of 528 for the note C. Okay? C in the 5th octave. Okay, so if you want, and you should, double check your work. Okay, so let's listen to what 528 should sound like. So this is a pure 528 Hertz tone, and we can compare it to the one in Logic. Playing C in the 4th octave, 5th octave, 4th octave. Okay, so it sounds the same, okay? Again, that's the one we just tuned. C in the 4th octave. Okay, so at this point you're all set. So that was pretty easy. If you want to know how we got the value of 15.6 cents, then you have to do some conversions, but luckily there's these websites that help you convert hertz to cents. So again, we started at 440, which is standard tuning of the note A, and we brought it up to 444 hertz as described earlier in here for the reasons why. And this gives us this value right here, 15.667 so forth cents, that needs to be brought up in order to get to the 528. So I hope you enjoyed the video. That was pretty easy. Check out some other videos on how to do it in FL Studio, as well as how to tune to 432. So I know there's a lot of interest in different kinds of frequencies. 528 is one of them. It's described as the frequency of love. You know, I'm not sure if you like it, then go ahead and use it. But I'm a firm believer in the 432 Hertz frequency, and that's why the channel is named 432 Hertz. But anyways, there's a lot of important and interesting information from my research from books and so forth that's coming up. So stay tuned, and until next time, aloha.